Here's some Python programming trivia. Subscribe. Which organization maintained Python after its creator? Is it A, PSF, B, GNU Project, C, Free Software Foundation, or D, Apache Software Foundation? The correct answer is PSF. What is the primary programming paradigm of Python? Is it A, event-driven, B, logic-based, C, object-oriented, or D, markup language? The correct answer is C, object-oriented. Which built-in function returns the length of an object? Is it A, count, B, lengthy, C, size, or D, len? The correct answer is D, len. What keyword indicates the conclusion of a block of code? Is it A, stop, B, return, C, end, or D, finish? The correct answer is B, return. In Python, what is used to import modules? Is it A, require, B, include, C, load, or D, import? The correct answer is D, import. What is the syntax for defining a dictionary? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is B. Which data structure is unordered and mutable? Is it A, queue, B, array, C, stack, or D, set? The correct answer is D, set. Which operator is used for modulus in Python? Is it A plus B, C, or D? The correct answer is B%. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.